DP Infinitives Homework 1. All right, for page 1, it says complete each sentence using the word or phrase that best describes the picture. So you're going to need to look at the picture and figure out what infinitive, what verb is that person doing. I would look at this and say he's either studying or reading. So then you're going to click in there. I usually just double click it and then you type in the answer. This one looks like she's singing, they're dancing. This person is riding his bike. If that's not on our list, I don't think it is. So instead say roller skating or not roller skating, rollerblading. And then the next one, or uh, skateboarding. Then number 5, he's using the computer or studying. Number 6, skiing or exercising. Number 7, listening to music. 8 is swimming. 9, there's skating. I can never think of that word. And then the 10th one is running. So those are the verbs that you're going to be putting in there. Now, page 2 says decide what infinitive each picture represents. Then, based on its ending, write the verb in the appropriate column. Use the model as a guide. So this person looked, they see that they're skating, so they put patinar. Patinar is an AR verb. It ends in an AR, so they put it under this column. So you're going to look at the picture and determine what the person's doing. Remember, you can always use a magnifying glass to zoom in if it looks kind of far away. So it looks like she's reading. So I'm going to type in to read in Spanish. But after I do that, then I have to change it so that it matches this. So then after you're done, you're going to take it and drag it to whatever column it would be under. And you're going to do that for all of them. So 1 is reading, 2 is exercising or skiing. I don't know if we have that on our list. 3 to go to school, 4 to swim, 5 to run, 6 looks like that is to talk on the phone, 7 either use a computer or study, and then number 8 is watching TV. So remember, after you fill it in, you need to move the box to go into whatever column. But that's it. That's the homework.